A warm greetings to all. Today we are going to discuss about the topic banking. At very first, meaning of banking. Section 5 subsection B defines banking as accepting for the purpose of lending or investing of deposits of money from the public, repayable on demand or otherwise, and withdrawal by check, draft, order or otherwise. Next, classifications of banks. First one, central bank, commercial banks, industrial or development banks, exchange banks, cooperative banks, land mortgage banks, savings banks and international banks. First, classifications of bank. Central banks. Central bank is the bank of a country or a nation. Its main aim is to issue currency known as banknotes. This bank acts as a leader of the banking system and money market of the country by regulating money and credit. Our Indian country central bank is RBI, Reserve Bank of India. And next type of bank, commercial banks. It is a bank which undertakes all kinds of ordinary banking business. It provides money and credit for commercial and trading activities. For example of commercial banks, State Bank of India, Canara Bank. Next type of bank, industrial or development bank. Industrial bank is one which specializes by providing loans and fixed capital to industrial concerns by subscribing to share and debenture issued by public companies. It plays an important role in the establishment and growth of industries. Next, exchange bank. Exchange banks are primarily engaged in transactions involving foreign exchange. They deal in foreign bills of exchange, import and export of bullion and otherwise participate in the financing of foreign trade. They do a number of incidental services such as opening of letters of credit, issue of foreign currency drafts and travelers checks, and supply of information about foreign customers. Yes, cooperative banks. Cooperative banks are organized on cooperative principles of mutual help and assistance. They grant short-term loans to the agriculturists for purchase of seeds, harvesting and for other cultivation expenses. They accept money and lend loans at a low rate of interest. Land mortgage banks. They are agriculture development banks. The land mortgage banks supply long-term loans for period up to 15 years for development of land to improve agricultural yields. They grant loan for permanent improvements in agricultural lands. Savings bank. These are institutions which collect the periodical savings of the general public. Their main object is to promote thrift and savings habits among the middle and lower income sections of the society. And finally, international banks. International banks are those which are operating in different countries while the registered office, head office is situated in one country. They operate through their branches in other countries. They specialize in banking business pertaining to foreign trade. Thank you all.